It's a 2018 Cadillac Escalade. It stays true to its Cadillac soul, offering sophistication throughout while being everything you need an SUV to be. It comes with great features you'll love. Entertainment system with Blu-ray, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, heated and ventilated bucket seats, automated parking sensors, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, hands-free liftgate, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, and power tilt-down heated mirrors. For over 100 years, Cadillac has dared to drive the world forward. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us today at 1-866-389-4996.